He who thinks great thoughts often makes great errors. Martin Heidegger. Hey everyone, in today's video we'll discuss Martin Heidegger's famous quote. He who thinks great thoughts often make great errors. By the way, my English accent might not be the best, but luckily Heidegger won't hear it, and I hope you will be kind enough to bear with me. Let's get started. Humans love dreaming big. It is in our nature, from childhood to our very last thoughts. Dreaming is part of being human. These dreams make us think, plan and take action. And usually these dreams are big. The best, the richest, the greatest. But when it comes to turning dreams into action, how many out of 8 billion people really achieve them? I can't give you an exact number, but it's safe to say very few. Why? Because people focus only on the big. They forget the small steps, the little stones that build the paths. And I think this is what Heidegger meant. When we ignore the small foundations, the big dreams collapse. I have a lot more to say on this topic, but I don't want to make this video too long. So here's my final thoughts. Think big, but make sure your small foundations are strong. These were my thoughts. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to support my journey. See you in the next video.